Okay, welcome to the first day of Alton Towers. It is craziness. We've actually managed to get in, but oh my goodness, that queue is insane. So we are going to head down to Nemesis, so I'll see you guys there. So we have joined the queue for Nemesis outside Perth. And I'm presuming this is the key just to get in the area, because I'm presuming they're going to let hotel guests and us in at the same time, but we shall see. Because they haven't really said how they were going to do this, so just have to go with what's happening.
I know, I'm not trying to get out of your face now. I want to make a scream.
Classified. Move on. Wallace! Wallace! Classified information.
Light cargo seems to be awake. We are unable to proceed, over.
Oh dear.
Brilliant, Dr. Whittaker. How do?
Nice
Are we all having a lovely day?
We are.
Amazing. That's what I like to do.
So the current wait time for Nemesis, it's queuing for perspective, it's queuing back past Pizza Pasta. It's 4:75, so about 4.5 hours you're looking at if you're joining the back of the queue for Nemesis today. Lovely rock. Nemesis beer, and we are officially in the queue line. Woo! Chaos, but we're nearly there, and then we can go and enjoy the rest of the day. How cool are Oscar's shoes? The coolest.
Reborn stronger, faster, or more dangerous than ever before. The game can contain everything hard.
Sedation levels decreasing.
On Nemesis. Quite excited to get on this now. I mean, I should be. I've been in this queue. We've been in this queue for what, 3.5 hours?
It's quicker to drive from home to here than it is to get in the queue for this.
But it's fine, we move. Look at all those people! What are your thoughts?
Right.
I actually really enjoyed that. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it that much. I was like, it's just a retrack. But actually, with all the theming and everything, I genuinely really enjoyed that.
My only fear is, will they maintain that theme?
Yeah. Will that stay as pristine as it's currently looking? Time will obviously tell. So, I'm not sure what we're going to do the rest of our day now, but we'll go explore, I guess.
That's the chant we're going to do. Okay.
Alright, we're on it.
Hopefully the phalanx.
Dr. Whittaker is lying! The Nemesis side is crying!
Dr. Whittaker is lying!
She's taking over here, the head of communications here, Phalanx. I've had to worm out misdirection. Leaking information with craft. Exactly what we are doing here with 2 firm hands.
us that this organism is a solitary being, rejected by every living thing it has ever encountered. I believe we can tame this beast.
Liar!
Once we have controlled its activities and showed it our true human nature of care and compassion, we can give it a nice warm home right here, where it can be truly happy. Finally accepted. We've already made major discoveries from the hatchling project at site PA1X, which is perfectly safe to all of you just over there. Harmless manner to this creature. And of course, not to forget my magnificent safety of all civilians throughout the entirety of Forbidden Valley.
is a liar!
Release the beast!
Please can't.
Release the beast!
There will be no further questions asked.
Release the beast! Release the beast!
This way.
Now I can't remember what happened.
That control starting up now.
When you say my friend, you're talking about Alton. Next bit, it's fine. Don't try.
Hello my little loves. So as an upshot, I didn't bring my battery pack, so a lot of the content went on Nemesis, and we spent about 6 hours down there in the end. So we headed back up in the night and just chilled out. That was an extremely wet ending to the day. We were going to go back on Nemesis, and I was like really excited to get you guys some night shots. Unfortunately, Nemesis broke down, which left people stranded on the lift hill and the brake run, causing an evacuation. So
We did get a late night ride on Curse though.
we did get a late night ride on Curse. Unfortunately, I don't know how it's looking for repairs in terms of it opening tomorrow. So if it's open, potentially we'll come here tomorrow. If it's not, we'll probably be at a pass holder day for Chessington. So wherever we are, we shall see you. I do just want to make a disclaimer that we thought that how they did Nemesis today was fantastic. And obviously these things happen with rides and we understand that. So it's not their fault. So if you were in the queue, please be nice to them. They've had a long day as well, and they've also been standing in the rain. So just bear that in mind. Give them sweets. They love sweets. Walk around and give them sweets.